Hey guys, welcome to Quizzes and Giggles. Today we're bringing you a new fun challenge. Would you rather mystery gift edition? Before starting, hit the subscribe button for more exciting quizzes. All right, let's play quiz. Be rich or a mystery gift? Be healthy for the rest of your life. Luxury watch or mystery gift? Expensive shoes. Gold or mystery gift? Diamond. Mystery gift or chocolate bar? Gold bar. PS5 or mystery gift? Classic console. Mystery gift or own a Burger King outlet? Own a private island? Mystery gift or a trip to Disneyland? Trip to anywhere you want. Mystery gift or luxury yacht? Paper boat. Mystery gift or iPhone? 15 Pro. iPhone 5. Mystery gift or cute puppy? Pet rock. Mystery gift or roast chicken? Empty plate. Cappuccino or mystery gift? Coca-Cola. Mystery gift or magic wand? Magic genie lamp. Mystery gift or chocolate chip cookies? Burnt cookies. Mystery gift or Kit Kat? Gems. Mystery gift or Lamborghini? $1 million. Mystery gift or Apple Watch? Old Apple. Mystery gift or dinner on the top of the Burj Khalifa? Picnic in the backyard. Mystery gift or laptop? iMac. super bike, or a mystery gift? Ferrari. A pet cat or a mystery gift? White tiger. Mystery gift or pancake? Waffle. Mystery gift or diamond ring? Treasure. Trip to Dubai or a mystery gift? Trip to Paris. Mystery gift or PS5? Gaming PC? Oreo or a mystery gift? Oreo with toothpaste. Mystery gift or roller skates? Empty gift. Mystery gift or unlimited food? Unlimited money. Mystery gift or live in a modern house? Live in treehouse. Pizza or a mystery gift? Leftover pizza crusts. Mystery gift or drone? Private helicopter. Mystery gift or vacation in Bali? Study for exam? Mystery gift or unlimited money? Unlimited time. Mystery gift or $1? $100,000. Training with Lionel Messi or a mystery gift? Training with Cristiano Ronaldo.